infinitives and gerunds after verbs.
Hello, and welcome to Homeron Languages. First things first, what is a gerund? It is a verb that ends in ing, but it is used as a noun in a sentence. Example, she is swimming in the lake. They can be subjects, objects of verbs, or objects of prepositions.
Antes de começar, não esqueça de deixar seu like, se inscrever no canal e ativar as notificações para avisar quando subirmos novos conteúdos. Vamos lá!
Subjects:
Playing games all day would be lots of fun. In this sentence, playing acts as a noun, so it is the subject of the sentence. Get ready to take notes.
gerunds after preposition.
Usually, only nouns or gerunds follow prepositions. Common prepositions about, on, into, like of. She worries about her job. He worries about losing his job.
Gerunds after verb.
Finish, can't help, imagine, keep, miss, suggest. Stay tuned.
Infinitives and gerunds after verbs.
Some verbs can be followed by gerund only, keep, enjoy, avoid, mind, suggest, dislike, finish, mention, practice, admit, imagine, deny, quit, discuss, resist. Infinitives only, agree, hope, intend, learn, plan, promise, refuse, expect, volunteer, decide, claim, arrange, demand, deserve, pretend. Either gerund or infinitive, love, like hate, prefer, begin, continue, stand. Stay tuned. In sentences such as, I always feel like going dancing. The word like functions as a preposition. Let's practice. I practice speaking English with my American friend. He volunteered to help at the hospital fundraiser. They discussed going somewhere exotic on their vacation. She stopped talking to him. My aunt has trouble getting to our family reunions. Miss Fine always denies being wild and crazy, but she really is. If it was helpful, subscribe to my channel and thumb up. Thanks. See you in the next video.